Hey there. Are you a freelancer, entrepreneur, or a small business owner looking to expand your client base? This week, I'm going to show you how to find clients on Craigslist, one of the most underrated platforms for connecting with potential clients across various industries. Craigslist isn't just a place to find used furniture or apartments, it's also a goldmine for networking and finding work opportunities. In this guide, we'll walk you through proven strategies and tips to successfully find clients on Craigslist and grow your business. Step 1. Create compelling listings. The first step to attracting clients on Craigslist is to create compelling listings that clearly showcase your skills and services. Make sure your listings are detailed, well-written, and professional. Start by crafting an engaging headline that grabs attention and includes relevant keywords. In the body of the listing, outline the services you offer, your experience, and any special skills or qualifications. Be clear about how potential clients can benefit from hiring you. Don't forget to include your contact information and a call to action, encouraging interested parties to reach out for more details. Step 2. Target the right categories and locations. To find clients effectively on Craigslist, you need to target the right categories and locations. Browse through categories relevant to your field, such as gigs, services, or jobs, and post your listings accordingly. Additionally, consider the geographical area where you want to offer your services. Craigslist allows you to post in multiple cities, which is beneficial if you're open to working remotely or traveling for projects. Tailor your listings for each location to increase your chances of attracting local clients. Step 3. Leverage Craigslist's search function. Don't just wait for clients to find you. Actively use Craigslist's search function to seek out opportunities. Enter relevant keywords related to your services and browse the postings that come up. Look for clients who are explicitly seeking the services you offer and reach out to them with a personalized message. In your correspondence, briefly introduce yourself, outline how you can meet their needs, and convey your enthusiasm for the project. Responding quickly to fresh listings may give you an edge over other freelancers. Step 4. Maintain professional communication. Once you start receiving inquiries or responding to listings, it's crucial to maintain professional communication. Be prompt, courteous, and clear in your messages. When negotiating terms or discussing project details, ensure everything is documented in writing. Consider drafting a simple agreement or contract to establish the scope of work, deadlines, and payment terms. Maintaining a professional tone helps build trust and ensures smooth interactions with potential clients. Step 5. Monitor and upgrade your listings regularly. Finally, to keep your postings effective, monitor and update your listings regularly. This not only helps you stay relevant in search results, but also gives you a chance to refine your offers and highlight new skills or experiences. Review your postings every few weeks to ensure all information is current and accurate. If you notice trends in client requests or new skills in demand, adapt your listings accordingly to stay competitive. In conclusion, learning how to find clients on Craigslist can significantly boost your business and freelance opportunities. By creating compelling listings, targeting the right categories and locations, leveraging the search function, maintaining professional communication, and regularly updating your postings, you're setting yourself up for success. Remember, persistence and adaptability are key when searching for clients on any platform. With these strategies in place, you'll be well equipped to attract and secure new clients on Craigslist. Happy networking, and may your client list grow.